Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us tonight on Valley News Live at 4. Let's dive right into the forecast. We've got a first alert weather day for Wednesday and now extended into Thursday morning for some wintry conditions, some tough travel, and a lot of wind to go right along with it as well. So here's what we're looking at. Wednesday, we're going to start out with some snow and some mix and winds gusting out of the north-northwest over 35 miles per hour. That could lead to some areas of lowered visibility where that snow is falling. Into Thursday, that snow lingering into the morning, making potentially another tough commute for your Thursday, and gusts even higher, potentially exceeding 45 miles per hour at times. So low visibility, slick and slushy, tricky travel. And the showers could start as early as late tonight and into tomorrow. Here's what we're looking at on satellite and radar. That system just making its way into British Columbia and into Washington right now in Oregon. That's going to be advancing its way towards the valley. You can see this outer edge of that system already in Montana. So we could see some of that working its way into our region by the morning. As this system advances closer and closer, the wind is going to be ramping up. Look at by midnight, seeing gusts over 35 miles per hour in Fargo. Over 40 miles per hour is possible with those gusts through the overnight hours, with even stronger gusts across eastern North Dakota. Let's time it all out. Your hour-by-hour forecast, partly to mostly cloudy for tonight with that wind gradually increasing. Temperatures by midnight still in the 30s and 40s. So the combination of wind and cloud cover is going to keep us quite warm through the overnight. So waking up tomorrow, primary precipitation type in the Southern Valley as it lifts north. It's going to be in the form of rain, but it could mix with some cooler air in northwestern Minnesota. We could see some wet and slushy snow or even just some mixed showers into your Tuesday morning. But through the afternoon, as it continues to advance to the north, notice the shift in wind direction as that main low pressure system slides in. Out of the west across northwestern Minnesota, you can see that wraparound in the wind right there in the Southern Valley, and those winds turning northwesterly across central North Dakota. So we have that first alert weather day, not for tomorrow, but for Wednesday and into Thursday morning. So let's start up again. This is tomorrow at noon. Likely seeing some snow showers or mix up across the north with some rain showers down across the south. And as that spins and wraps around, we could see that transition to potentially all snow Tuesday night and into Wednesday. So your Wednesday commute looking tricky, with that wind picking up out of the north-northwest. That continues throughout the entire day, kind of sits and spins right through the Central Valley in northwestern Minnesota. Strongest winds behind it out of the northwest. We could see some gusts over 40 miles per hour into your Thursday. And this is the Thursday morning commute time at 7 a.m. We could see continued snow and wind. That's why we've extended that first alert weather day. You just look at the moisture potential. This is rain and melted snow, so your liquid water equivalent. Some areas could see more than an inch of liquid moisture from this system, lesser amounts off to the west. As for snowfall, this is just an early look. This will very likely change, but northwestern Minnesota has the highest potential of seeing maybe 4 or more inches of snowfall. We'll have more details as that becomes available for you. Right now in Fargo, we're sitting pretty good, mostly cloudy, 44 degrees, 43 in Moorhead. Wind is gusting to 26 miles per hour. Temperatures are in the 40s. Now look at your 7-day planner. After that first alert weather day, Wednesday and into Thursday morning, still a little breezy Friday, but temperatures recover into the 50s by the weekend. We'll breathe a little sigh of relief for the weekend before maybe another system next week. We won't talk about that quite yet.
No way. This week. That's gonna hang on. If it's like 3 days worth.
We'll see.
Junk.
Don't wanna talk about it too soon. Don't want to jinx things. Let's just enjoy the weekend that we have ahead.
Okay. Enjoy what's coming in a long time.
Right.
Summer. Coming up next.